All right, we made it to Helen, Georgia. Got checked into our hotel. Still nice out, so we're gonna go take a walk, see what's around Helen, get some dinner, get some sleep, and get ready for tomorrow. What are those, bub?
Laps.
How many do you think there are?
About 1,000. This is today.
I found one from today. Yep. We're at Kristoff's, Ella.
Yay.
What do you think? Mommy, what do you got there?
Nothing. There it is.
Ooh, Kristoff's kettle corn. Ella, you gotta have some Kristoff's kettle corn. You eating all the kettle corn?
No, Mom and me are.
What are you eating? Pizza. Salad with ranch.
I was wrong.
All right, we're gonna spend time here at Unicoi State Park, just doing some trails, hitting the visitor center. Then we're gonna go off to Anaruby Falls and check that out before we head up to Atlanta. How you doing, bub? All right, it is Thursday. We are at Unicoi State Park here in Georgia, right outside of Helen. Just taking a quick hike here around the lake. So we changed our plans a little bit. We were gonna go Chattanooga, but we're gonna head up to Atlanta for a couple days and do stuff there. It's supposed to be a lot warmer there. So we're going from the 60s to the 80s, maybe 90s. We'll see what we do there. Don't really have a hard plan for that yet, but enjoying the outdoors right now while we can. Then we'll head out to Atlanta tonight. That was pretty cool. We just got to see an American bald eagle fly off a branch right to its nest. Obviously, I did not get much video of it, a little bit of it taking off, but the guy was on the deck area with his camera and got some pictures of it taking off. Ella, did you like seeing the eagle?
Yeah, I didn't know where his nest was, and it looked like I saw his family not here.
Saw his whole family?
Yeah.
Yeah. Made it to Anaruby Falls, just checked out the visitor center. Now we're gonna do a walk about 0.4 miles to the falls and then 0.4 back, almost a mile round trip. Excited to see it. Let's go. We made it to Anaruby Falls, 153 feet, I believe, from the top to the bottom. Very beautiful. So, Mommy, what do you think of Anaruby Falls?
I thought it was beautiful. Gorgeous. 2 waterfalls like that. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Very pretty.